Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on whether data science is one of the best IT careers in 2023. In this video, we'll explore why data science is such a popular and in-demand field and give you examples of the kinds of jobs and industries that data scientists work in. We'll also look at some statistics to give you an idea of the earning potential and job growth in the field. Additionally, we'll also discuss how data science relates to other cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced natural language processing, NLP, models like Chat GPT. So, if you're considering a career in data science or are just curious about what it's all about, keep watching. Data science is one of the most popular and in-demand fields in IT today. The reason for this is that data is becoming increasingly important in almost every industry. From healthcare and finance to retail and marketing, companies are using data to make better decisions, improve the customer experience, and drive growth. As a data scientist, you'll use a combination of statistical analysis, machine learning, and programming to analyze large sets of data and extract insights. This might include anything from finding patterns in customer behavior to predicting future trends. One of the key aspects of data science is the ability to use large amounts of data to train machine learning models. These models can then be used to make predictions or automate decision-making. This is where data science and AI intersect, as many AI applications are powered by machine learning models that have been trained on large sets of data. One example of this is chatbots, which are becoming increasingly popular in customer service and support. These chatbots use machine learning models to understand natural language and respond to customer queries. One of the most advanced natural language processing models is Chat GPT, which is used to generate human-like text and is based on a deep learning architecture called Transformer. Data science plays an important role in training and fine-tuning these models to improve their accuracy and make them more human-like. Some examples of the kinds of jobs and industries that data scientists work in include healthcare. Data scientists might analyze patient data to identify trends or predict which patients are at risk of certain conditions. Finance. Data scientists might use machine learning algorithms to identify fraudulent transactions or predict which customers are most likely to default on a loan. Retail. Data scientists might analyze sales data to identify which products are most popular or which marketing campaigns are most effective. Marketing. Data scientists might analyze customer data to create targeted marketing campaigns or predict which customers are most likely to make a purchase. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in the United States is around $120,000 per year. Furthermore, the Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that job growth in the field will be around 16% over the next 10 years. So, as you can see, data science is one of the best IT careers in 2023. With the increasing importance of data in almost every industry, the demand for data scientists is only going to continue to grow. And the relation between data science, AI and advanced NLP models like Chat GPT makes this field even more exciting and promising. If you're considering a career in data science, now is a great time to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I subscribed, so that you won't miss my future rich content. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great Saturday for you and your family.